When it comes to real estate, interest rates make a big difference in your monthly payment. Check this video.
In Florida, real estate timing is everything, and the real game changer is the interest rate. This single number decides who can buy, who can sell, and who wins big. Think of the interest rate as the price you pay to borrow money for a home. When rates are low, your monthly payment goes further, letting you afford a bigger, better house. But when rates rise, your buying power shrinks, even if your income stays the same. That's why everyone from first-time buyers in Orlando to investors in Tampa watches the Fed's every move. The Fed's decisions instantly ripple through the market, making mortgages cheaper or more expensive overnight. Ignore interest rates, and you're surfing blind in Florida's wild real estate waves. Master them, and you hold the keys to the kingdom. In this market, understanding interest rates isn't optional, it's essential. When interest rates climb, Florida's real estate party slows down fast. First-time buyers feel the pinch. Suddenly, that dream home is out of reach. Fewer buyers means homes sit on the market longer, and sellers have to get realistic with prices. Bidding wars fade, and buyers gain leverage. Prices stabilize or dip, shifting power from sellers to buyers. Investors pivot from flipping to seeking steady rental income. Headlines about rising rates fuel caution, making buyers hesitate and sellers rush to list. More homes, fewer buyers. Classic recipe for a buyer's market. It's not a crash but a correction. Everyone has to adjust their strategy. The music hasn't stopped, but the tempo has changed. Adapt or get left behind. When rates drop, Florida's market explodes with activity. Suddenly, buyers can afford more, and competition heats up. Homes in hot spots like Sarasota get multiple offers in days. Bidding wars erupt, and sellers call the shots. Property values soar, and investors rush in to flip homes for quick profits. But rapid price jumps can push out locals and create bubbles. The frenzy feels like a celebration, but it's risky. Overpaying is easy. Booms don't last forever. Smart buyers stay alert. In low-rate markets, move fast, but don't lose your head. Opportunity is everywhere, but so is danger. Not all Florida properties react the same to rate changes. Single-family homes are most sensitive. Rates up, demand drops. Rates down, demand surges. Commercial real estate is steadier, driven by business cycles and rental income, not just rates. Luxury homes, many are bought with cash, so rates barely matter to the ultra-wealthy. Each segment, residential, commercial, luxury, has its own rhythm. A rate hike might mean deals for cash buyers in residential, but little change for commercial. Smart investors know these patterns and tailor their moves. Don't use a one-size-fits-all approach in Florida's diverse market. Know your segment and play to its strengths. Real estate is as much about psychology as numbers. Rising rates spark FOMO. Buyers rush to lock in deals, fueling short-term demand. But talk of a slowing market triggers fear of overpaying, making buyers wait and sellers drop prices. Headlines shape behavior, not just math. Sellers rush to list before values fall, swelling inventory and shifting power to buyers. The market cools as caution spreads. Smart investors read the mood, buying when fear is high, selling when euphoria peaks. Understanding these cycles separates pros from amateurs. In Florida, emotions move markets as much as interest rates. Master the psychology, and you'll always have the edge. So, how do you win in Florida's ever-changing market? Watch the Fed. Its moves signal what's next for rates. Buyers, get pre-approved and know your numbers. Lock your rate if they're rising. Refinance if they fall. Investors, chase cash flow when rates are high and be selective when the market is hot. Don't get caught in bidding wars for mediocre properties. Real estate is a long game. Don't try to time it perfectly. Buy what fits your needs and budget, not just the headlines. Over decades, rates will rise and fall, but smart decisions build wealth. Stay focused, stay flexible, and Florida's real estate can work for you no matter the market. The real secret, adapt and you'll thrive.